Are you looking for sanitizers to keep yourself disinfect and everywhere you found temporarily out of stock? Don't panic and don't worry. Let us know how to make sanitizers at home. Required ingredients: fresh aloe vera extract, or you can use aloe vera gel available in local markets. And next ingredient, spirit, also known as surgical spirit. Add 30 ml of aloe vera gel to container. Aloe vera acts as natural antibacterial agent. Aloe vera maintains moisture balance and also cleanses and moisture your hands effectively. Now add 60 ml of spirit to aloe vera gel. Close the lid and shake it well till aloe vera dissolves in spirit. Next, store this in bottle and ready for use. Take small quantity and clean your hands thoroughly for every half an hour to keep yourself disinfect. This sanitizer is effective and 100% safe. Procedure 2. Add 30 ml of fresh aloe vera gel to container. And add 60 ml of Dettol liquid, which acts as antiseptic liquid. Here we used 30 ml of aloe vera and 60 ml of Dettol, which are in 1:2 ratio. Close the lid and shake it well till aloe vera dissolves in Dettol. Now store it in clean bottle and sanitizer is ready for use. Snapshot: in both procedures, aloe vera 30 ml, spirit or Dettol 60 ml is used. If you want to prepare in large quantities, maintain same ratio, that is 1:2.